Hi guys, this is 2006 Renault Kangoo. So I'm going to do today the repairs for the driver side door actuator. The actuator is doesn't locking properly. So you can see in here this lock is very sticky. The inside is damaged. So here the actuator. So that one need to remove it. We have to remove this whole the door trim cover. You can see here the Torx T30 Torx bit, and here one bolt in here, another one T30 in here, other one in here, so and two T20 screws in here. So we have to door trim first, then have to take it out the door lock actuator. So here I got the actuator for the wreckers. So I need to replace this one to the with the new parts. So you can see here this is actuator. This is the door lock. Okay, side. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have to off these two wiring connector. It's a push down. One is in here. Other one will be off. Okay. Okay, here's the guys inside of the door trim. You can see here's the actuator door lock lever. Here's the window motor. You can see. So then after we have to off these T30 screws. Okay, you can see the inside of the actuator. So one lock here, and then go up, and the switch adjuster. And this is actuator, and is the handle side. Okay, we have to unplug this wiring connector. Got this clip. Okay. Okay, I'm off this 10mm bolt. So you can move this window rail in here, and another 10mm bolt in here. Off that one too. Okay. Can easily rail out. You can more easy access. Here. This is a key barrel. Okay, take off this connector. Okay, take them out. Now you can see the movement in here. Okay, I can take it out. It's gonna come in here. Okay. The actuator connector. Little bit bigger. Okay, let's check it out, the actuator. So it's the new one. This is the old one. Should be okay. Looks both same. Actuate. So now we have to put back the new actuator. Okay guys, going to install the new actuator. Okay. Okay, put the lock here, the lever come to here, put this here, and the lock in here. So inside this one, put it back in. Tight. Okay, this one, the lock here, like this. It's okay. Right in here. Okay, then I'll pull back the connector. Still can't see which side. Yep, that's it. Okay. Okay guys, finally we installed the door actuator. It's all working fine. So open and close. All good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.